So this is a how-to on how to put your student names on a document without having to write them every single time. So Microsoft Word has a nice little feature called the Mail Merge Wizard, and what it does, it basically takes your document and it puts all the different addresses and or names or ID numbers that you want in a certain place on that document repeatedly for you, so you don't have to keep on rewriting the names. So to get there, to do it, first thing you have to do is click on the Mailings tab, and then you're going to click the Start Mail Merge, and then you're going to go down to Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. When you click that, it's going to open up the side panel here, and the first couple you just kind of click through. You click Next here, and you click Next again. This is just so you opened up your target document first, and then you click Next a couple times. When you get to the third step, you're going to click Browse. And for Browse, you have to have an Excel sheet already saved on your drive that has the names, ID numbers, and I usually put the teacher name on there as well. And then you click Browse to open up that document. So when you click Browse, what it looks like like this. It makes sure this is the right document. This is the name of my document. You're going to click OK. And then it opens up a Mail Merge Recipients. It's checking to make sure that the information you have is correct. So it automatically gives a title to this information that's in the Excel sheet. So in my Excel sheet, I already put first name, last name, surname, first name, email address, ID number, T1, T2. So it just took that information and kind of wrote it at the top here. And you're just checking to make sure that everything's okay. You scroll through, make sure all the names are there. I like to put mine in ascending order by ID number as well. And then you click OK. And then right now you are going to click Write Your Letter. And to do that, you have to highlight the places where you're going to put the name, the ID, course date, and then the teacher name. So you click Next, and you click again Mailings, Insert Field. So once you have highlighted the place where you want your that certain thing to go, you click it. So I put the first name here. And I don't usually save course and date because that's going to be the same on every paper. So I just type that in the regular document. So it comes out looking like this. So I have the first name, surname, ID number, and this, the course and the date is already there because I don't never change those. And I put T1. That's the teacher one. That's going to be me. So after that looks good, you have everything in the right place. You click Next again. And here you can kind of check to make sure that everything looks right. So you can scroll through by clicking the arrow up here, and it'll show you the students. It'll show you what it looks like with their names and their, it'll show you what they look like on their names, ID number, and the student names. And then once you're finished with that, you're going to click Next and Print. And that's it. Here's the print button right here.